There's never been a better day to take you guys up in the sky with me. Today, our destination is Tampa, Florida. The weather is forecasted to be at minimums. So let's go take the TBMA 50 and shoot the ILS Approach right down to minimums.
Tango Bravo, descend and maintain 5,000.
Descend and maintain 5,000, 851 Tango Bravo. Alright, welcome aboard everybody. Today we are on an IFR flight from Miami into Tampa International. And we are on the arrival procedure, the DEEC 4 arrival, and we're going to be shooting the ILS 19 left approach. The weather here at Tampa is showing right at minimums. It's a foggy morning here. St. Pete is actually VFR across the bay, but where we're going into Tampa, right now they're broadcasting right at minimums. And they're showing a half-mile visibility and 300-foot ceiling.
606,
select the approach here.
Above 2,100.
ILS 19 left.
52606.
We'll load that for now. Some of the things that we're going to have to deal with on this approach when we get down in the fog is we do have the morning sun that we're going to be looking into, which is going to hamper our visibility. Trying to see the runway environment through the fog.
01 Tango Bravo, contact Tampa final 118.5.
118.5, 851 Tango Bravo.
South 795, descend and maintain 5,000.
Tampa, good morning. November 851 Tango Bravo, 25,000 with Mike.
TBMA 851 Tango Bravo, Tampa approach, verify speed 210.
Roger, 210 on the speed for 851 Tango Bravo. You can actually, I don't have a camera off the left wing here, but you can actually all see the downtown buildings of Tampa above the fog.
Again, max forward speed for as long as you can, tower 19.5, good day.
19.560 Tom.
Alright, so we got our little airplane right here on the approach plate. We're going to intercept over Cosby at 2,000. We can go right down to 226 feet, which is 200 feet above the ground. And we need a half-mile visibility to shoot this approach, and we have that. They're broadcasting right at a half mile.
Speed and tower 119.5.
River tower safe.
We have to go missed.
Fair wings 177.
We got that briefed also. We're going to go up to 600 feet straight ahead. Then we're going to, once we reach that, climbing left turn to 2,800. Intercept the Pi 138 radial out to Gibbs and hold. And with the Gibbs holding pattern, we're going to be doing a teardrop entry.
19er right, it's 108.5. TBMA 51 Tango Bravo, descend and maintain 3,000.
Descend and maintain 3,000 for 851 Tango Bravo. In wintertime in Florida, this is when you get these kind of approaches with the fog. There are two different types of challenges you get flying in Florida. Summertime, you have to deal with all the big convective thunderstorms.
851 Tango Bravo, reduce speed 170.
Reduce to 170 on the speed, 851 Tango Bravo. It gives you a complete opposite mix of type of weather in Florida. I'll pull the power back.
Southwest 795,
we're going
5,000. Good morning.
to go back to 170 knots, is what they just asked us to maintain. I've flown a couple different TBMs in my life, and this one here, 851 Tango Bravo, it does not like to slow down. I don't know if it's what it is about this airplane. It likes to, it's a fast airplane compared to the other ones.
19 left localizer.
210 on the heading, join the localizer, Delta.
Pull the power back and it barely wants to ever slow down on you.
TBMA 851 Tango Bravo, turn left heading 270.
Left 270, 851 Tango Bravo. Alright, left to 270, we're going to go off of nav mode and heading mode.
Minus 0 Delta Alpha, let me know when you join the localizer.
Activate the approach here.
Down to 3,000, we're getting right there.
TBM 851 Tango Bravo, 5 miles from Bucks, turn left heading 210. Maintain 3,000 till Bucks, cleared ILS runway 19er left approach, and 170 knots until Cosby.
210 on the heading, 3,000 till Bucks, and 170 knots till Cosby for 851 Tango Bravo.
All right, 360 Delta Alpha, been reducing your speed to your final approach speed and tower 19.5.
Slowing it down for you, 19.5 Delta Alpha.
Kronos 1031, turn left heading
Alright, we're going
290.
to arm the approach here.
Left heading 290, Kronos 1031.
Southwest 795, descend to maintain 4,000. Traffic
we're going to be watching for the localizer to come in.
That's 3.
What we're looking at right now.
5 for 4, looking for traffic, Southwest 795.
Once the localizer comes in, we should see the airplane turn on course. Follow that in. And then at Cosby is where we're going to intercept the glide slope. The sun is bright right off our left. We're going to be dealing with that as we try to look through this fog.
Southwest 795, due to some departures down there at Tampa, expect vectors for the ILS runway 19er right approach and the localized frequency 108.5.
Expecting 19 right, Southwest 795. Do you have any updated visibility?
795, I'll work on that.
Alright, they're working that. Airplane wanted to know the updated visibility.
Turn left heading
He's a little concerned for that.
19er left localizer.
210,
Alright, so
Kronos 1031.
we are on the localizer.
TBM 851 Tango Bravo, tower 19.5. Good day.
19.5, 851 Tango Bravo. Tampa Tower, good morning, November 851 Tango Bravo with you on the ILS 19 left.
November 851 Tango Bravo, Tampa Tower, good morning, wind 1506 from the 19 left, cleared to land.
Clear to land, 19 left, thanks, 851 Tango Bravo.
Tower base is 350 for Delta Alpha.
Thank you.
Alright, Delta Alpha just updated, it's at 350 for the bases.
Tango Bravo, arrived, PC 12 reported bases, 350 feet.
Alright, thanks for the heads up, 1 Tango Bravo. Put our altitude selector to our go around altitude. So we can go down to 226 feet. Alright, we're still VMC here, we're about to go into the fog layer here.
Kronos 1031, ILS 19 left.
Kronos 1031, Tampa Tower, wind 1606, number 2, and the 19 left, cleared to land.
Number 2, 19 left, clear to land, Kronos 1031.
Coming up on 500 feet to go to minimums. There it is. We won't have to deal with the sun in our face here in just a
American
second.
712, contact departure.
Right on our proper
Departure, good morning.
speed that we want. We're right in the local
500.
and we're right on the glide slope. 500 feet to go to the ground. $200 feet to minimums. Still going, I'm going in and out of the cockpit right now. Looking at my 100 foot to minimums, and I'm going in and out with my eyes. I'm starting to see the approach lights. There we go. Runway in sight. We were right at about 320 is where we were at. Disconnect the autopilot. There was our go around altitude. And we'll continue on to land.
Wings 132, Tower, you ready?
Yes, we are. So wings 132.
Wings 132 to wind 170 at 5, no 19 right, clear for takeoff, traffic Boeing 737, 8 mile final.
There we go, right in the center line.
19 right, clear for takeoff.
Welcome to Tampa International, guys.
132.
That was an ILS there in the
TBM
fog.
851 Tango Bravo, keep that rollout speed, turn left at Romeo, contact ground point 7 on off the runway.
Roger, we'll keep the speed up and exit off of Romeo, 851 Tango Bravo. We're going to be going over to Shelp Air. Romeo, we got Sierra coming up here on the left, then Romeo's the next one, so that's where they want us to go.
Southwest 795 outside of Jim Bob, good morning.
Southwest 795 Tampa Tower, good morning, and then 19 right, clear to land, base is support at 350 feet.
Tampa ground, November 851 Tango Bravo, clearing 19 left on Romeo, need to go shelter.
Number 851 Tango Bravo, taxi to ramp via Romeo.
Romeo into the ramp, thanks, 851 Tango Bravo. Alright, we'll be giving our taxi clearance, Romeo into the ramp. As you can, that's shelter straight up there in front of us. See the fog rolling through here. I hope you guys enjoyed that short little flight here with us. Not too often I get to do approaches to minimums like that, so I thought, you know, let's flip on the cameras and show you guys. So if you like the video, smash that thumbs up button. And also, if you want to see more of this stuff, be sure to subscribe. I thank all the sponsors and the patrons for supporting this channel. And here we are at Shelter Air. It's one of my favorite FBOs at Tampa here. It's hard to see though with that sun. Looking for a marshaller right now is what we're looking for. You guys see him out there anywhere? There he is. I think I got him in sight. Gonna have his park right
American 2459, runway 19 right.
It's busy here.
Oh, I'm sorry.
All these planes.
Push back is your discretion. Just advise ready to taxi American 2459. And I show you're at gate 79.
There he is, right over here to our right. He's gonna have his park right next to this other airplane.
Potential aircraft departure 8 is November is now current November.
Just follow their hand signals in.
003.
There's my buddy over here.
Runway 19 right, taxi via Charlie, Bravo 8, Bravo, Victor.